Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. This is Faisal here. In this video, I am going to show you my live trades which I have taken past week. So I exited it today. I'll also show you how I have taken my entries, exits and the process before taking the trade. Totally I made around 45k plus profits, which is good enough for a student. I'll just show you. Let's enter. So this is my analysis. So this is Bank Nifty in 15 minutes time frame. Usually I enter in different time frame, seeing the different time frame analysis. So here was the trend line which I was getting continuous resistance over here. So this was the new high at that time, and this was the support. So it has been getting a good support over here. So actually I went entered on 8th of Feb, that is over here, exactly over here, after the breakout of the trend line and reversal happened over here. So here I took around 50 quantities, that is almost 2 lots of Bank Nifty. So as soon as I entered, it gave me the profits, but I was expecting this trend line to be broken and the new highs to be forming. So it didn't happen according to that. It went downside. So and the next day, that is on 9th Feb, the market was good and I was getting a decent profit. But I was waiting for this to break the resistance, to break and form the new high. But unfortunately, around 2 o'clock on 9th February, a huge sellers came. So due to that thing, the market even fall. The days are like almost the days high, days low, sorry. So the next day the market opened and again the market was like in going down. So here exactly I bought almost 200 quantities, that is almost like 8 lots again. So my total quantities were now 250 quantities almost. So I entered exactly over here, again added a lot because there was an analysis, my past experiences. I had just entered the thing over here. If others were new, beginners were there, they would have not been entered over here. So I just entered over here. So next day, that is on Friday, that's on 12th, that is on Friday, the market was bullish. So it gave me almost like 30,000 profit still here. So I didn't book it, as I have said you previously. I was waiting for the resistance level to break. So unfortunately after 2 o'clock the market got bearish, it went down with no profits, that is 0 0 it was. So today the markets open positively with a huge gap up. So I just thought of I'll exit it when it was like 80,000 profit. Due to some technical errors, it exited my position with a profit of 44,000 rupees. So I am just satisfied. So I just exited the trade, and this was all the overall analysis. So I was waiting with this trade because I know it was a movement was there at the past week, so the markets were consolidating. I was waiting for it to be correction. So this is my profit till here. So I'll just show you my PN profit positions. You can see this is the Zerodha platform. So if I had holded it till the end of the day, I would have like a 2 lakh 37,000 profits in my account. But unfortunately I just exited my trade earlier, so there is no worries. Actually I got more than 40% return on my investment. If I had holded this, had I got almost 200 and something percent return. So this was the thing, guys. So this is how I trade based on pure price action. It is easy to make, as you have been seeing here. Just have to look at a small details in the chart. You should be able to make easy money using price action patterns. So please let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section, and please make sure to subscribe and like so that you will be getting updates in the further videos. Also follow my Instagram account, that is link is in bio. Thank you guys for watching.